How's it going, Solstice? I'm Rishabh, and this is the email platform I made for this new drug by Takeda. I chose email as the medium because it's commonly used all through the industry, and it was a good way for me to play around with what we could do with this sort of problem. And if you notice, I was inspired by Google Docs. I really enjoy how collaborative their platform is and how you can see the previous work you've done very easily, create a new email, and share it with others. So I made it in this similar style. As you can see, I made two emails in the past where I have a brief overview of right here. But before I make a new email, I want to talk about our admin page. Here, we can upload a document, PDFs or visual aids or style guides or any other material. And using existing Python packages in Claude, we get these claims. Now, these claims are directly from the documents themselves, and the confidence score here is actually Claude telling us, okay, I am quite confident that this is an actual claim that might be useful in this scenario. So here we can actually go through the claims that we have got from our documents and click which ones we want. Let's say I want this one about safety and this one about efficacy. And then from that, I will approve selected. Awesome. And now it'll be in our email generator. Let's go back to the email generator and let's look at a previous email we made in the past to see what types of things we have available. So I really enjoy Figma's drag and drop like playground. I thought it was really fun. So, and if you notice, the header of each email is in the exact branding that we wanted for our email. And then at the end of each email, we have the ISI information and the Takeda branding. There are a couple, I like to call them nodes that you can have in an email. One is the array, the drawing tool. I thought it was fun. I like drawing, so you can actually sign your signature if you want here, and that's cool. And there's an eraser tool as well. And there's also human written text. Human written text is meant for the human itself to talk and add some personalized information. And then if you want to ever add more verified information, we have those nodes available as well. And it's as simple as just adding a text box to adding a drawing on the bottom. Let's add another text box. And then if we see here, we can add any approved claims already that are in our database. But if we want to, we can also add like some free text. Hello. And also, there are these assets. These assets are directly from the visual aids themselves. These were parsed in our parser that I showed earlier. So let's say I want to talk about something to discuss with your doctor. I can kind of add that, I can attach that image over here like that, and then say something along those lines. Similarly, we have these graphs that were also in the visual guide in our um, database available. We can add claims, and yeah, and effectively the way that we check if an email is compliant is if every box is verified. However, the only way we can verify human written text is through human verification. So if I check compliance, it will need to ensure, we see here, we need to ensure medical review before sending, which is cool. So let's save this version. And let's say my name is LeBron James. LeBron James, which is nice. And now we have version 7. So now we had 6 other versions before version 7. And if we want to, we can always revert to any version we want to here. If we revert to V2 from LeBron James, we will get to how that was in the past, similar to Google Docs. Yeah, so that's cool. So let's make a new email and try to actually launch this email here. So new email, let's do it for a caregiver, and we'll call it QLA demo 1. So great. And here we have all the stuff available. We have the Takeda logo, the ISI information already there for us. It's locked in, so we can actually use it. Yeah, so let's say we want to reach out and talk about this new medicine for a patient that we know might actually need it. So we'll add some text for added personalized. Hello, Mr. Johnson. It's LeBron from Takeda, and I'm here to talk about this new medicine we have that might be useful for you. And then that's cool. That's nice. And then we have that human written stuff. And also we can also move it around whenever we want to. We can move it below. Oh, actually, these are in place. We can't move them here. But if we add more text boxes, we can like kind of move them around here, around, which is cool. And then here we can also add some. Let's say we want to add uh, some claims. Maybe this one, indication. And then maybe one more. Let's see, what's a good one to add for Mr. Johnson here? Mm, hmm, maybe this one? Okay, that sounds good. And let's add one more text box just to add some more human sauce to this. Let me know what you think. Would love to hop on call. Period. Okay, nice. And maybe let's attach an image here. And we'll have like this fresco study design. Check out this study design for more. Alrighty, awesome. Now, let's save this version as V1, and cool. Now we have that. Now let's check the compliance, and we're going to see that two blocks contain human written text, so you have to ensure medical review for sending, which is cool. So let's export this as an HTML, and we will send this to someone on the team to review later. So yeah, here is the email, and yeah, this is an idea of how we can create emails on the fly for Takeda for this new drug and help people out in the meantime. Thank you.